You see, I said this life, what God cannot do does not exist. That 63,000 euro where person pay. There's so many people go hospital. Why? Why now carry high blood pressure for somebody money? Why? What is 63,000 euro? 63,000 euro is no better than your life. 63,000 euro is a chicken money. Okay, somebody bring 63,000 euro. Una don't know how much he win. You people we are trying to say how much he win now. How you go bring 63,000? Una know whether the money will win reach 300,000. Person win almost more than 300,000. Okay, bring 63,000 come out. Some they say na fake. Some they say you be 419. Okay, wait till concern me now, concern that money now. How I can't say be 419? Eh? Wait till be 63,000 because now I never touched money before. Now I make una value the 63,000 euro. 63,000 euro, you can't even use it to buy a house in Europe. That's where you go buy. Maybe na Aunt Magri house where be said the owner don't reject her. You can't spend another 30,000 to renovate her. And you go be village place where children not the rich. How can you I don't understand. Make I not speak American English for now. How can you get a dig for somebody money? Oh my God. 63,000 euro. More kuna they call person the name. Oh, I go give that name now. I want make person they answer that name for this live video. And from today, make they call you 63,000 euro. If you know, say now you go answer and write yes. Right, yes, say mommy Yore. And from today, my name is 63,000 euro. It's me. Okay, sister Judith, I think Judith or more. Okay, you go the answer. Okay, me, double pepper, so you too. You una plate yo. Make una change them now. Mona change them. Right, double pepper soup. Okay, one way yare YouTube. Anyway, we are change my name. Okay, you go the answer now. 63,000 euro. Huh? The person pay vow. Una don't know how much you win. So una no even expect. When person told say he want win millions of dollars. So the day with that person go come here, they pray for that person. He go see surprise you now. As this one 63,000 surprise you now. Now so that one too go see surprise you now. Abuna not there here that day where that man vow say if he win now, he go buy me mansion. Mansion will pass $1 million. So if that one can see happen now, I go say you're in a 419, you're in a team, you're the chop people money, no problem. Brother, if you are watching me, by the grace of God, your dream must come to pass. Your testimony go check the whole world in the mighty name of Jesus. I can't wait but no when you go to America. Cause me wa mudia koi. Ebo no over ya yore hospital with the right thing kai. Machoni Abuja yana ya na ya do. No be America, no be France. Abuja direct. Kene have a big man. Shivani worry. You know? So when I go see Siam, the man don't talk. He say, Mommy, you pray for me. If I win this money, I go pay $1 million for you. I go buy you mansion. So somebody win money now, he brings 63,000. Now, when I see some people, they call me, say, Mommy Jore, I beg now, bring come out for inside the money, we take do Christmas. Money where person take pay vow. Make I come carry and give you the money take do Christmas. Now be me get the money. Now prayer line, I get the money. Prayer line. Prayer line, I get the money. The money not be my, the money not enter my account for year now. It enter our account. 63,000 euro. That one a money. When I go just the scratch on her hair. Now not let me get. One I say make I give her only one bag of rice. Now you just need. Not be me get her. The money belongs to prayer line money. What be 63,000 euro? When I go down they cry like this. Huh? One say you not sleep. Why you not go sleep for somebody money? Go play the game now. You go still win. All your mates they win game. That day, part play win 50. He bring 5,000 come out. Okay, because that one at 5,000, I not believe. That one I not there. He bring 5,000. He dash me 1,000. Everything will come be 6,000. Check it. That didn't win. Now I don't see how much he still bring. You know how many that guy will win 100,000 euro. You don't know how much he still bring. Because this one just surprising. All of them are just confused. When I go to play the game, now lotto that they call her, that they buy to 2 euro. You can play 10 euro. If you play 10 euro, God can do it. You can still win. Depend. You pray. And one tell me today, say they don't give you 63,000 now. You know what? Come out, can't do live video. Even when 63,000 never enter the account, and since how many months now, I don't see the way they do my live video. I know they do it like before again. If I'm doing the right thing, can you total do about me? And not be you know good, eh? Wanna let me rest. I get why just papa picture, give me today picture wait till they sick. Which one don't want me the 63,000 make it just scatter like that? What do you? Yeah, me son, why beg? Yeah, I feel look beg me, why beg? Anyway, shall no problem. So no sabana be bless me. 5,000. Oh, Johnny daughter. 5,000. Why am I daughter? Neither person that daughter. 5,000 euro. Imagine me rock my make card or degumi. But on my organ no ya pay 63 ni. Because don't my pay 63 by me my go win you go. Well, who is prayer line? Who is prayer line? The accounts what would they use for this prayer? Now the money enter. Money not enter my account. Na 3 accounts now get for you. 1 na la post, 2 na bank. The money no enter. Na Nigeria na they carry and go. Not be me. What they gonna go they disturb me for the money? Don't not let me run. I go to drop message. I don't carry 63. The money not be my own. If not my own, I will share and give you now. It they account. When I go play game, because if December won't come like the people they win money. Last year it happened. Last 2 years it happened. I better not say online when a pa win money, a pa give us 5,000 euro. He dashed me 1,000 euro. One of our sisters win 100,000.